Hi everyone, in this live session we are going to solve some SAT questions. So here we are with question number 1. If x plus 3 over 7 equals x minus 3 over 3, then x equals to what? So here you can write down your answers in the comment section. There are 5 choices given to you. It's negative 3, 1.5, 3, 7.5, 21. So there are 10 seconds for you to solve. So you can try out, then I'm going to show you the answer. Come on guys, it's really easy. So you can try out question number 1. All you have to do is just cross multiply things, and that will become easy for you. So there are 5 choices. If you can answer quickly, I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, here what you have to do is you have to cross multiply things, and when you cross multiply, you'll get 3 times x plus 3 is equal to 7 times x minus 3. And now we're going to use the distributive property and distribute 3. So we have 3x plus 9 is equal to 7x minus 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Now bring all the like terms one side, x terms one side and constants one side. So you have 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x, and you have 9 plus 21, that's equal to 30. So 4x is equal to 30. What will be the value for x? 30 divided by 4, and that's equal to, yes, 7.5. So if you've got your answer as 7.5, that's absolutely right. Okay, let's see if you can solve question number 2. Thank you so much. I'm going to answer your comments. If you have any suggestions or you want to ask anything as well, you can ask me right now in the comments. Okay guys, here we are with question number 2. If a equals to b squared and b is equal to c root 2 and a is equal to 18, which of the following could be the value of c? Is it 3, 3 root 2, 9, 81, 162 root 2? So what do you think the answer would be? Oh, so I think I can pronounce it like that, MOFOLO, right? Okay, but I'm waiting for your answers. That's easy, Dean, that's easy. Okay, what do you do? So if you have given certain terms, the value of a is also given to you, so you can just substitute. You have 10 seconds to answer. Come on. B. Well tried. Well tried. Very well tried. But that's not the answer. B is C. Good job, but well, that's not the answer. Of course, yes. MOFOLO. Yes, you're absolutely right. The answer is A. That's your right answer. It's 3, but how it's 3? You have been given a is equal to b squared. So we're going to write that a is equal to b squared. So a is equal to b squared, and then you're going to square b. Can you see? And b is given to you. So let's square c root 2 the whole square. Okay. Now, after this, what are you going to get? C square, and root and square gets cancelled, so you are left with 2c squared. Yes, and a is given to you as 18. Since a is 18, you can write it as 2c square is eventually equal to a. That's equal to 18. So what is the value of c? Easy. C square is 18 divided by 2. That's 9. C is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3, and that's your answer. It was really simple. You just had to go step by step. That's it. Thank you so much, Teen. Thank you. Appreciate, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, we have third question. Question number 3 says, what is the value of, now this symbol is actually called as absolute value, or you can even call it as modulus. So what is modulus of -5 and modulus of -7? Or you can say absolute value of -5 or absolute value of -7. Basically, absolute value means it is a non-negative number. So whatever number you have inside the absolute value, inside these two bars, it will change into a positive value. That's it. So here we're going to try. Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to solve. There are 5 choices for you to solve. -12, -2, 2, 12, and 35. Okay, so Michael says the answer is 2. Absolutely right, Michael. Good job. Any others who have solved it? 3 is not even in the options. Come on. Come on, guys. Absolute value, as I told you, is a non-negative number. It's a positive value. So, okay, I'm going to show you as I got the right answer from Michael. That's C equal to 2. That's absolutely right. Good job. Now here, the absolute value of -5 is 5. It's a non-negative value. It's a positive value. Absolute value, these two bars change any value. Either it is positive or negative to a positive value. That's it. Okay, -7 is +7. Okay. Now we have one main absolute bar also. So you have 5 minus 7 inside the bars. And 5 minus 7 is -2 inside the absolute value. And that's equal to 2. So that's your answer choice C. Alright, let's see if you can answer question number 4. Question number 4 says, in the figure above, what is the value of A? This is your A, the angle. This is 30 degrees, 40 degrees, B, and you have 5 choices. There is 10 seconds for you to answer. 70, 100, 110, 120, 290. So, come on, try this question out. Okay, 110. Absolutely right, Michael. Good job. Perfect. All right, guys, come on. This is super easy, very easy. Michael has already given the right answer. Now you should know that vertical angles are congruent. If you know that, it's easier for you to solve. See, if this is 30, which is the vertically opposite angle to 30, and which is the vertically opposite angle to 40. And this is a straight angle. So if this is 30, this is also 30. Angle B is 30 degrees. But you don't need to find B, you have to find A. So here we have this as a straight line. So A plus B plus 40 is 180. A plus B plus 40 is 180 degrees, straight angle. So what is B? That's 30. A plus 30 plus 40 is equal to 180. Now we need to solve. 40 plus 30 is 70. A plus 70 is equal to 180. Bring it the other side. 180 minus 70, that's 110 degrees. That's your answer, C. All right. So let's see if you can answer question number 5. I have question number 5 this side. Question number 5 here says, in the diagram above, you have coordinates. Okay. C is in quadrant 4, D is in quadrant 1. So C is 3, -2 and D is 3, 5. Are two adjacent vertices of a square ABCD. So two vertices are given to you. Which of the following could be the coordinates of A or B, the other two vertices? Is it -3, -2, -2, 3, -4, 5, 3, 10, or 10, 3? So you can try this out. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Come on. What do you think? How can you solve it? If you know two vertices, it's easy for you to calculate the distance. So how would you calculate the distance? And ABCD is a square. All the sides will be equal. All the side lengths will be equal. So you can find out the side length of C and D. You just join it. What is the distance between C and D? That will be the distance from the other two vertices. I mean, all the sides. So, what do you think is the right answer? For question number 5, the right answer is C. Okay, and how you know the vertices? All right, this is vertically distributed. Okay, so the coordinate of y minus of -2. 5 plus 2, 7. So the distance between C and D is 7 units. All right, so that will be the same for other vertices as well. 7 units, 7 units, and 7 units. All will be at a distance of 7 units, 7 units, 7 units. So you will have vertices A and B, most probably this side. You can have -4, -2, and you can have this side -4, 5. Just move 7 units left. So 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. So that's total of 7 units. So either you should have -4, 5 as a coordinate or -4, -2 as a coordinate, but we don't have this in the answers. We only have this -4, -4 and 5. So that's your answer choice. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 6. For all x not equal to -5, 3, which of the following is equivalent to x square minus x minus 6 over x plus 5 times x square plus 3x minus 10 over 2x minus 6? So you have been given 5 answer choices. Come on, try to answer this. Is it x square minus 2 or x square minus 4 or x square minus 4 over 2 or x minus 2 the whole square over 2 or x plus 2 the whole square over 2? Come on. It's easy, you just have to factorize. Now if you know the rules of factorization, you can easily try to find the factors and simplify it. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so what do you think the answer would be? Any guesses for question number 6? Oh my god, that's absolutely right. THATOMOFOLO. Yes, that's absolutely right. So I have got the right answer. That's actually equal to C. Yes. Okay, when you factorize, now there are some rules when you go for factorization. I'll just give you a bit of overview. like you find out the greatest common factor, you split up, or you find product sum rule, or you do completing the squares, or you find identities, or you go with quadratic formulas. There are so many things you can do to find out the factors. Now in this one you can just go ahead with the product sum rule and find out the factors, and finally I think you're going to get the factors as x minus 3 times x plus 2 over you have x plus 5 times. Now when you go ahead with this and find out the factors for this, you're going to get x minus 2 into x plus 5 over 2 times x minus 3. I've just taken out 2 common, so you can cross out x plus 5, x plus 5, x minus 3, x minus 3. So you're left with x plus 2 times x minus 2. Now that's an identity, a square minus b square, which says a plus b times a minus b. Now you can write that as x square minus 2 square over 2. That's equal to x square minus 4 over 2, and that's your answer, choice C. Alright, let's see if we can solve question number 7. Okay, now that's pretty easy. I think everybody can do that. 1 week, Susan earned $1,000, which consisted of a base salary of $475 and a 7% commission on her sales. What was the amount of her sales for that week? Was it $36.75 or $75.25, $700 or $6,786 or $7,500? Okay, come on, try this question out. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Okay, what do you think the right answer is for question 7? How much commission did she earn? And what percentage does that represent of her sales? How would you calculate that? Easy. Percentages, commissions, salaries. OMG, that's absolutely right. Yes, absolutely right. That answer is right. All right, so let's try out the answer for this question. Now, Susan earned how much commission? So we have to subtract $1,000 minus $475. That's the commission what she earned. So that's equal to $525 in commission, which represent 7% of her sales. 7%. So let's calculate. 7% of means multiplication of her sales. 7% of her sales is equal to that much commission. That's $525. Okay, so 7% is 0.07. 7 divided by 100, obviously, of sales is $525. So how much is the sales for that week? Sales for that week, so it's $525 divided by 0.07, and that's equal to $7,500. That's your answer, choice E. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 8. The question number 8 says, if the sum of two numbers is 5 and the difference of the two numbers is 5, what is the product of the two numbers? Is it 0, 1, 5, 10 or 25? And that's easy. You just have to apply algebra and solve it. So you only have 10 seconds to solve that. Come on, try it out. That's easy, very simple. How do you represent the numbers? The sum of two numbers is 5 and the difference is also 5. So what is the product of those two numbers? Come on, guys. All right. Okay, let me write down that in the form of equations. Sum of two numbers, the two numbers which I don't know, so I'm going to take them as variables. So I have x and y. The two numbers may be x and y. Sum of the two numbers, add them up, is 5. And the difference of those two numbers, difference is subtraction of two numbers, is again 5. What is the product of those two numbers? So you just have to solve it using the elimination method. You can eliminate plus y minus y, add them up, 2x is equal to 10. So what is x equal to? 10 divided by 2, that's equal to 5. Now if x is 5, what is y? So just have to substitute in one of the equations and find out y. So if x is 5, 5 plus y is equal to 5. So what is y equal to? So I'm going to write that here. Y is equal to 5 minus 5, 0. So x is 5, y is 0, 5 multiplied by 0. Product of those two numbers is 0. That's your answer choice, A. It's 0. How simple was that? Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 9. Here you have f of x equals to negative 2x squared. So I'm going to erase that. Negative 2x squared minus 3x, comma, what is f of minus 5? Now that's easy. You have 5 choices: negative 65, negative 35, 35, 85, 115. So you can try out, write down your answers in the comment box. You only have 10 seconds to solve that. Okay, so what do you think? That's very, very simple. Just substitute negative 5 in place of x. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay. Is it negative 65, negative 35, 35, 85, or 115? Okay, so now it's easy. I'm just going to substitute that. F of negative 5 is equal to minus 2, and we have negative 5 squared minus 3 times negative 5. So what will that be equal to? So you have negative 2. Negative into negative becomes positive. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus into minus is plus. 5 times 3 is 15. 25 times 2 is 50. So you have negative 50 plus 15. What is negative 50 plus 15? You have to subtract the numbers. That's 35. Put the greater number sign, negative 35. That's your answer, choice B. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 10. The circumference of circle O is A inches, and the area of circle O is B square inches. If A equals to B, what is the radius of circle O? Is it 1, 2, 4, 2 pi, or 4 pi? All right, you have 10 seconds to solve that. So what do you think the answer would be? One is the circumference, other one is the area, and they both are equal to each other. So it's very easy to solve for the radius. Here, alright, let me tell you what the answer is just. The answer is B, 2. How? Because the circumference of a circle is A and the area of the circle is B, and A is equal to B. What is A? Circumference of the circle, that's 2 pi r. What's B? Area of the circle, that's pi r square. Now what I can do is bring all the terms one side, or just simplify this. 2 and 2, pi and pi gets cancelled. So you have r square. So divide r square over r. Same base, if there's division between them, you subtract the powers. 2 minus 1, 1. So radius is equal to 2. Done. That was really easy and simple. Okay, let's see if you can answer question number 11. Question number 11 says, for what values of n is square root of n plus 2 equals to 2 or 3? Is it negative 14 over 9 only, or 22 over 9 only, negative 4 over 3 only, or negative 14 over 9 and negative 22 over 9? Or is it option E, negative 4 over 3 and negative 8 over 3? So you have 10 seconds to solve this. Come on, try it out. That's really easy. You just have to solve for this, nothing else. So you can easily find out, you have to find out the value of n. Oh, okay, I'm going to tell you the right answer for this one. Okay, waiting for your answers. Come on, guys. That's pretty easy. Alright, okay. Let me tell you what the answer choice is. That's A. Negative 14 over 9 only. That's it. So when you have to solve this, you have this square root of n plus 2 equals to 2 or 3. So let's square both sides to remove the square root, isn't it? Square root and square gets cancelled. So you have n plus 2 equals to 4 over 9. Now bring 2 the other side. N is equal to 4 over 9 minus 2. Then n is equal to, the LCM is 9. So 9 times 2 is 18 over 9. So 4 minus 18 is negative 14 over 9 only. That's your answer choice A. Alright, so if you have any suggestions, you can write it in the comment box. And if you like this session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. And if you want me to take more sessions on SAT questions, you can also write it in the comment box. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.